Be cautious. Snowy roads can be slippery and dangerous for pedestrians. The driver may have been in a hurry, but exceeding the speed limit and running red lights is never an acceptable solution. Luckily, the driver was okay. On a Singapore roadway, a truck made a sharp turn, causing it to clip a car. Nearby vehicles, traveling at an estimated speed of 30 mph, were forced to make sudden stops to avoid the collision and debris. This incident highlights the dangers of unsecured cargo. Exercise extreme caution while driving on snowy roads. Slick conditions can significantly reduce traction and increase the risk of accidents. Distracted driving is dangerous. Obey traffic lights and signs. Disregarding traffic rules can lead to collisions and endanger yourself and others. This behavior is unsafe and can cause confusion for other drivers. It's truly a miracle. Despite the severity of the collision, there have been no fatalities reported. It's a testament to the quick response of emergency services and the resilience of those involved. A truck driver disregarded a red traffic signal and proceeded through the intersection. Red lights are in place to prevent collisions between vehicles traveling in different directions. Always be aware of your surroundings and use your turn signal well in advance before turning. Activate your turn signal for several seconds to give other drivers ample time to notice your intention. Regularly scheduled maintenance of your car's electrical system is crucial to prevent potential fires. A black car attempted to make an unsafe lane change by squeezing into a limited gap between vehicles in adjacent lanes. This is a dangerous maneuver that can lead to collisions. Drivers should only change lanes when there is sufficient space. Vehicles are equipped with horns for a reason. While a horn might not prevent every accident, it's the standard way to alert other drivers of danger. The report suggests the truck may have been overloaded, which could contribute to brake failure. Overloaded vehicles put excessive strain on braking systems, making them less effective. A car was traveling at high speed when it rear-ended another vehicle. The report suggests the driver in the first car might have been distracted by texting. Distracted driving can significantly increase the risk of accidents. Train tracks are not to be crossed when a train is approaching. Trains travel at high speeds and cannot stop quickly. Trying to outrun a train or move a stalled vehicle on the tracks is extremely dangerous and can result in serious injury or death. Intersections are high-risk areas for collisions. To prioritize safety, practice the following: reduce your speed as you approach an intersection. The video highlights the importance of approaching intersections with caution. Intersections are high-risk areas for collisions due to crossing traffic. A driver in a car exhibited unsafe driving behaviors. A large truck attempted to navigate a narrow alley but became lodged. The truck's size was likely incompatible with the dimensions of the alley, resulting in it getting stuck. This is Fast and Furious in real life. Public roads are not for imitating movie stunts. Always prioritize safety by following traffic laws, maintaining a safe speed, and driving predictably. A serious collision occurred on Highway 401 near Pickering, Ontario, involving a fuel tanker truck. The collision resulted in a significant explosion with intense heat and flames. A driver inattention resulted in a collision on an Iowa highway. This incident highlights the importance of maintaining focus while driving. Distracted driving significantly increases the risk of accidents. A vehicle experienced a wheel detachment while traveling on the road. A detached wheel poses a serious danger on the road. It can create unpredictable bouncing or rolling hazards for other vehicles. Curvy roads require extra caution from drivers. Reduce your speed significantly before entering a curve. Pay close attention to the road ahead. A collision occurred in Texas involving a truck and a bus. The truck driver may have been impatient. A driver in a car disregarded a red traffic signal and proceeded through the intersection. A car accident resulted in vehicle damage. Fortunately, the report indicates no injuries were sustained in this incident. It's a relief that everyone involved is safe and unharmed. A truck driver swerved to avoid a collision with a car in front of them, potentially endangering a yellow car in the adjacent lane. Two vehicles failed to yield the right-of-way to each other, resulting in a near-miss collision. A trailer truck experienced a loss of control and collided with a bridge structure in Florida. The report indicates the trailer became lodged in a precarious position, dangling from the bridge. The driver of a red car changed lanes without activating their turn signal, potentially causing a safety hazard for the driver of the car recording the video. A multi-vehicle collision occurred on a busy road involving a taxi. It's a very scary moment. An impatient taxi collided with both the car in front and behind it on a busy road. A truck struck overhead wires while traveling on the road. The report suggests the truck's height may have been a factor in contacting the wires. A cargo truck rear-ended two vehicles in a collision. Fortunately, the report indicates no injuries were sustained in this incident. A recovery operation involving a crane attempting to rescue a truck that had gone off the road resulted in a double accident. The report described the truck losing control and ending up in a ditch. Road safety is a shared responsibility. By following safe driving practices, we can significantly reduce the number of accidents on our roads. A large container truck collided with a car on the opposite side of the road. The report suggests the truck driver may have lost control. A multi-vehicle collision occurred on the road. The report indicates the driver of one vehicle lost control and struck both vehicles traveling in the same direction and those in the opposite lane. Fortunately, the report indicates no serious injuries were sustained in this incident. A red car and a truck driver may have been engaged in aggressive driving maneuvers, potentially creating a dangerous situation. Make safety your priority on the road by following these key practices: obey speed limits, buckle up, avoid reckless driving. By adopting these safe driving habits, you can significantly reduce the risk of accidents. A possible rear-end collision between two vehicles was avoided south of Atlanta, just past the airport. Please drive at a safe distance.